Hi guys, so this video is all about explaining my new KitchenAid hand blender. I just got this now from the KitchenAid company and it is just amazing. I just tried using it and it's super fast, super easy, and the whisks are really effective, like not even kidding. So I'm just going to show you a very fast forward video on how I make my cupcakes with the KitchenAid hand blender, so stay tuned. So before I begin, I'll just explain the various things that's there. This is how you switch it on, and now that the KitchenAid has started working, it's a very easy procedure. You just have to press the top parts and increase speed according to what you want. And I really love the LED sensors here. It just makes it look so chic. So yeah, I'm just going to start baking.